Welcome to the Shell Workshop Academy and our series on making product recommendations, in this case premium oils. Shell Helix Ultra lubricants offer customers the ultimate power for daily use. But when discussing premium products with your customers, how would you highlight the benefits? Premium oils offer a whole range of benefits because of their revolutionary PurePlus technology. Made with 99.5% pure base oil containing virtually none of the impurities found in crude oil, Shell Helix Ultra ensures ultimate power. When upselling, tell your customers that this single group of premium oils includes 3 incredible benefits. Giving engines the protection of Shell Helix, the efficiency of Shell Helix Extra, all included with the ultimate power of Shell Helix Ultra. The full list of premium products suitable for daily driving is listed on your Shell Helix product range sheet. Our next video dives into the world of intensive driving, but if you'd like to explore another topic, click one of the tiles on screen now. Thanks for watching the Shell Workshop Academy.